guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make something from my childhood. In Poland we call them drożdżówki, and it's basically a yeast-based dough. And as you guys know, I use fresh yeast, but I will always have the dry yeast version written out for you on my website, so you can go ahead and make it with instant yeast if you'd like. But these are just, it's like a what do you call it? Having a brain fart. It's a fresh yeast dough that's kind of sweetened, but the sweetness really comes from the mixture of the cheese. And I use farmer's cheese for this because it's just how I grew up eating it. If you can't find it, because I know it's not super easy to find, you can go ahead and use just cream cheese, and it'll work just as well. I promise you, it'll be so delicious. But yeah, I'm so excited to share it with you. I used to eat this all the time when I was abroad. I studied abroad when I was in college, and I lived in Poland, and I would just get one of these on my way to school every morning. So I'm so excited to recreate it for you, share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy.